Hello friends, Martin Jensen here, and a couple of days ago my mother told me, hey, my birthday is coming up and I wondered if you could make a new handle for this thing. And I said, yeah, sure. And so that's what we're doing today. What my thoughts are is that this shape looks like this shape, and that is going to make it so much easier for me to make a nice handle with a little bend on it. So we're going to cut this and work on it. After cutting out the handle piece I will be working on, I start by preparing and marking up the pot connecting part on the oak. Getting this right is important. This is my makeshift bandsaw. It has a limit of about 5 centimeters, but it is all I need in this case. As you might notice, this is a makeshift belt sander. Just proves you don't need a tool for every specific job. In order to get it right, measure multiple times during sanding. What I'm working on here is the spot where the screw will go through to fasten to the pot. We need some space for the screw head. And here I'm making a little hollow box for the metal meeting point between pot and oak. And now we enter the sanding and finishing phase. Grit 80 on the bandsaw, then grit 180 here. Grit 240 sanding. Grit K400 sanding. K600 sanding. Applying a sanding sealer. Resting. K600 lightly, some polish wax, resting, rub polish around, and then add some wood wax. Alright guys, old plastic handle, no thanks. I'll rather have my new wooden oak handle. Let me see. There you go. I just love how it turned out. Don't you? All right, these gifts are really good because when you have made it yourself, you know, it's a personal gift, and the person, when they use it, they will think about you every time they use it, most likely, and they will be very appreciative of you. And stuff like that, yeah, it matters. Oh, it feels so good. I wish you were here to touch it. I gave it a really good rub. Smells like bees. Okay guys, I hope you had some enjoyment of this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Goodbye.